Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to show you how you can click black and white images or monochrome images using the Nikon Coolpix B500. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Because black and white is worth the fight. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika and welcome to another tutorial with my Nikon Coolpix B500. And we can click black and white images in camera in the B500. Let me show you how today. And I'm going to show you three ways how you can do it. Let's get into it. First way, I go to the creative mode of the camera. Here we have a host of effects. Press OK to browse through the effects. The one for black and white is Noir. Now I click. So my image is saved in 4 black and white presets. This mode can only be used for images and not videos. For videos, let me show you the second way. Go to the short movie show mode, then hit the menu, special effects. Here also we have a bunch of effects. Select the one for black and white, that is high contrast mono. Now we can shoot both images and videos in black and white. But for videos, set the timer for your videos and the number of videos you want to shoot. For example, if I want a 10-second clip, then I may select 5x6 clips. I shoot a 5-second video and the camera stops recording. So I will have to once again record for 5 seconds. Now I can end my recording by going into the menu and record. And that's it. Third way is again for photos only. I click a normal image in any mode, then review it and click OK. Choose the portrait color plus black and white effect. Zoom in to check it out.
It leaves a color portion in the center, but
I like it. Press OK and save. Now if you've clicked your images in color and you want to convert them into black and white later, you can do that in post-production. Let me show you how. I edit my images in Photoshop. You can use any software guys, rules are the same.
Here I have my images clicked in the creative mode of the Nikon Coolpix B500. First one is color and the rest are black and white. Now let us go to the color image. Take it in Photoshop and I'll show you how I edit my images. Just drag and drop. I duplicate the image by dragging it to the plus icon. Right click, convert to smart object. I will tell you later why I do that. Go to filter, camera raw filter. Click on the black and white button and simply make my image black and white. I can also use the drop down here. Go to the basic tab. I want to give the image a high contrast feel. Let's adjust the temperature and tint so that my image becomes darker. Reduce exposure increase contrast, reduce highlights and whites, shadows and blacks I will increase a bit, increase texture, increase clarity. No need to dehaze as my image has no haze. Curves, I like to play with the curves so that I get a nice contrast again. Black and white mixer. Reds, my image has no reds, so this is not gonna make much difference, but greens will definitely make a difference. In optics, I will add a negative vignette, and that's it. Now, the reason I made it a smart object is that if I want to adjust my settings again, I can simply click here and readjust them. That's it, we are done.
So guys, this is how you can click a black and white or monochrome images using the Nikon Coolpix B500. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you wanna watch next about this camera or about photography in general. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is a playlist that plays all my content about this camera, and here is my previous tutorial. Please go check these videos out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.